everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get a refund in PayPal. So simply just log in your PayPal account officially, and right now I will just have enough balance. So we will just check the article of PayPal, how do I get a refund. So this request a refund for a completed payment. You will need to contact the seller. To see the seller contact details, go to the activity, select the payment, use a contact information on this page to contact the seller. If you receive a refund, the money will return to its original payment method, such as your bank, credit card, or PayPal account. If you don't receive a refund, you can open a dispute in your resolution center. Make sure you file your dispute within the correct dispute filing time frame. In a dispute, you can message the seller through PayPal to try resolve any issues. If you cannot resolve the dispute, you have 20 days to escalate dispute to a claim in a claim. We investigate the case and decide the outcome. So that's it. This is the whole process to get a refund. So right now I don't have any balance in my account. So that's it. In this way, you'll just get a refund in PayPal. So if this video helped you, please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.